Hi, everybody. I'm Matt with Wacky Works. My question is, so before you got into resin, you did a lot of wood turning. What was your favorite types of wood to turn?
I can tell you what my favorite type wasn't. For 2 years, I was made to turn pine and only pine until I got a decent finish.
Come on.
No. I promise you, that's all he would make. Let me do.
Who was your uncle, Mr. Miyagi?
He was a pain. No, my favorite wood to turn is ash. Any type of rippled ash. It's great. I love it.
Hey, me too,
What
buddy.
was that again?
It was rippled ash. There's something about it. It's great.
Really?
Yeah.
I hear you.
Mhm.
I hear you. I'll drink to that.
We can go back on that one this week.
Oh my goodness.
Seal's broken.
Yeah.
All right.
Right down the middle.